Look, this applies to just men in general, but usually when you become high value, in other words, you're providing tons of value for society and those around you, there's certain rules that you just live by, certain things that you just do not break. They're almost like a code of conduct, which honestly, even if you're not there, you should be living by because it'll help you get there. Let's hop into this. Number one, you never chase girls, you only chase purpose. The same amount of relentlessness, energy, time, and dedication that you set on chasing girls, and I'm not just talking about how you're obsessed with Amanda and you'll spend an easy 4 hours a day stalking her socials. I'm talking about that. I'm also talking about how you will open 30 different tabs with different girls on Pornhub and masturbate through all of them in a single day and do the same thing the next day. You're depleting your motivation, you're depleting your energy, your discipline, your time on wasteless pursuits. I want you to grab all of that energy and put it into your passion. Put it into that side hustle. Put it into that business. Put it into your career. I want you to grow and multiply in that. Forget girls. Make that your singular purpose, because that's how you can, if you're a broke dude, it doesn't matter if you bet 100 women. You'll never become high value. You'll also probably not be that happy because after a while it gets pointless. What value does it bring? You're not using it to procreate. You could use it as a badge on your chest that you've bet triple-digit women, but how long is that going to take you? It makes a great party story. That's about it. You're not building anything for yourself. This is what takes me to number two. You must have self-control. You should be able to move autonomously through life, which means whatever you set your mind to, you're able to do. You want to get shredded, you're going to go to the gym. You're going to control what you eat. You're going to control what you put down. You want to get rich, you're going to control how much time you waste. You're going to realize how much time you waste and redirect all that same time into that singular goal of becoming wealthy. You want to stop watching porn? Because let's be real, every time you open up a tab, you feel like crap about yourself. Like, we can't lie to each other right here. You don't like to do it. So when you want to stop watching porn, you're going to stop rubbing your pipe. See, that is complete and utter self-control. Yeah, it's easier said than done, but you have to practice it with everything in life, even the small stuff. You want to start waking up earlier? Make it a habit to wake up at 7, wake up at 6, wake up at 5. I don't care what your time is, but make it a habit and do that. See, high-value men get to whatever stage they are in life through sheer, relentless pursuit because of their self-control, because of their ability to just tone out the noise, tune out whatever's going on social media, whatever your head's telling you to do. Like, your head's telling you to masturbate, your head's telling you to not go to the gym, your head's telling you to eat that. You're able to tune all of that out and focus on one singular task. 3, you never look down. Just never. Like, when you walk into a room, your head's held high. You're always looking at everybody straight in the eyes. When you're walking down a sidewalk, I don't want you to see you walk. No. You walk with authority. You walk with confidence, because that is who you are, no matter where you are in life. Shoot, bro, if I were you, bro, you add a pair of shades to that. See, a pair of shades adds a sort of mystery to a man. A pair of shades, it's a game changer, right? You throw that on, it's like a superpower. You feel like the man, right? The confidence oozes through your body, but it also adds like a physical blocker. Mentally, you feel like a superhero. Mentally, because you have a physical blocker in your eyes, you're going to end up feeling more comfortable to be able to look people in the eyes. And that mystery is just an added bonus. The looks is just an added bonus. The fact that it protects you from the sun, that's all an added bonus, bro. This is why, in 3 days, May 28th, we're dropping our new collection for Jade Black. These are actually our new geometric aviators. Bro, tell me these don't look sick, bro. Tell me this, you won't look like a bad man during summer. Bro, you need a pair of sunnies for summer. That's just a standard. But the versatility that this accessory brings to a man's wardrobe, it's incomparable with any other accessory. Matter of fact, we're not only dropping sunglasses, obviously we also have our blue light blocking collection. So if you want to wear frames indoors, maybe you don't need the shade, you still got a pair of frames that's going to make you look good. You still got something that you can rock 24/7, and it protects you from blue light damage. Bro, if you guys want to check out our prisms or our sunglasses that are dropping May 28th at 10 a.m. Eastern, this is our new collection, bro. This is probably going to move fast. If I were you, I'd put a reminder on your phone, May 28th, 10 a.m. Eastern. That way you're one of the first ones on the site. I would pick up a blue light and a pair of sunglasses. They start around $50. You're getting Italian handmade acetate, some of the best materials in the world, and you're gonna look good. And you're gonna look like the man. Bro, you don't wanna miss this launch. Number 4, you admit defeat. You have to be truthful with yourself. See, if you are not where you are, where you want to be financially, where you want to be with women, where you want to be with life, you need to take a strong look at yourself in the mirror and admit to yourself, yo, there is no magical exterior force out here stopping you from being whatever the heck you want to be or wherever you want to be with women, with money, with life. Nothing is stopping you from the exterior other than yourself. You're the one that's been wrong. Now, that's a hard pill to swallow. Nobody likes to. But once you do, you can now you can introspect. Now you can look inside. I do this all the time, right? If I know where I want to be, I know how ambitious my goals are. And if I'm not there, it's not because of some exterior magical factor, it's because of me, right? I am my own physical blocker that I now have to look inside and be like, all right, what can I fix? What's missing? What's wrong? And now we work on that. See, every man has a weakness. Every man has a downfall. But the strongest men, the men that are actually high value, are the ones that can see that weakness and turn it into a strength. That's why you need to be that harsh on yourself. Look inside and see what is missing, what needs to be fixed, and you work. And by the way, how you fix it can be simple. You sit down, you write a list. All right, can I spend less time on Pornhub? Chasing girls, playing video games 6 hours a day, partying every single weekend, just black out drunk. Think about that. Every time you get drunk on a Saturday, that you party all the way through Sunday morning, you need a whole day to recuperate, and you're still foggy Monday, Tuesday, so you're not really activating until Wednesday, and then you're doing it all over again Friday. Bro, can you really compete against somebody like myself that has complete discipline? It'll be impossible. It'll be impossible. And there's always going to be somebody out there that's equally, if not more hungry than you are. And that's why you always have to introspect and see, right, what areas of my life can I trim down on so I can focus on what I need to focus on? Which ultimately brings me to number 5. A high status man is loyal to women, to his friends, to his family. You got to understand, and don't let other people twist it. Don't let other people confuse you. People that are high performers are usually high performers in every aspect in their life, meaning they give it their all in almost every aspect of their life. They give it their best shot. It's not always just about money. Remember, the reason you are high value is because you provide a ton of value back. It's not because you bet 1,000 women. It's not because you have $1 million in the bank account. I can make $1 million selling cocaine easy, right? That's not being high value. You are high value because you're providing something of value to society, whether that's a solution, whether that's creating jobs, etc. Meaning, a high value man, he's a loyal one. And that's basically it, boys. Those are the rules. This should be your code of conduct. This is what you should live by every single day. See you guys next time.